Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your McDonald's app. So all you have to do in the first, you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Just scrolling down here until you will find here apps, click on it. You come to apps list and here you're looking for McDonald's app or just click on search. Then here add McDonald's app, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on force stop, click on OK. You scrolling down here, click on force stop, click on clear cache. So then you go to your Play Store here, just click on it. So then here you search here for McDonald's. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.